We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. Okay, if we refer to our analysis when the price was here, we mentioned the possibility. I mean, about the possibility of the price can drop and retest this low, because if you remember, in since the price was within this move, we put the this line as 27. We mentioned the price can drop, and the first time when the price drop, reverse. And now we see again the price drop. Now we want to see whether there is a breakout and continuation, or the price can reverse, because this is where we have been looking for. Okay, and as we can see, the price tag for the second time. So now we want to see what's the next and how we can trade it. Okay, if we move to daily chart, based on daily chart, we have nothing. Just we are within the correction. And if we move to forward chart, all right, the one things we can highlight based on forward chart, after the price, if we put these two in relative to each other, make the showing us still we have a divergence, almost like that's mean we cannot consider this as a divergence. And how about the another one? Okay, based on this we have a divergence, but from what we can see, if there is a continuation, maybe after a few hours we don't see the divergence anymore. That's why we cannot rely on that. But as we can see, the only thing is right now we want to see whether the price can break this one and drop or not. Because if there is a breakout of the 27, then the next level you're looking for is the this low. Because as long as the price haven't broke 25.2 or 25.14, we can expect for the reversal. If there is a breakout, may this one turn to a bigger correction. That means we can put this one in relative to this for one more drop, at least to retest this low, okay, or here. By the way, the only things we're looking for, we want to see whether we get any reversal to look for buy or not, how we can trade it. But based on forward chart, we don't have anything. The only things we can point on it, if we see any reversal with a sharp move correction, we can look for buy, similar to what we have here. We get a sharp move correction, then from there we start to look for buy, whether we get any opportunity or not. Okay, and now we need, first of all, we need to wait whether there is a continuation, the price can break 27 and continue or not. Okay, anyway, in this case we just move to 1 hour chart. We want to see how we can trade based on 1 hour chart. Again, based on 1 hour chart, we have nothing, only the breakout of this low, but we have to wait and see what we will get from here. Whether it can give us a correction for continuation. If we get the correction, still we can look for sell. But if we want to look for buy, we need to get the reversal at least with a sharp move flag before we take the trade. I think we have to, I mean, still we need to wait for a few more hours to see what's the next. Okay. Anyway, may we point at this. This is how we can look for buy if there is a reversal, whether there is a sharp move with small correction of flag, or there is a reversal with the bigger correction, at least 1 2 3 as a flat. Okay, anyway, we don't have any trade setup. The only thing is we need to see what we will get from here for the next move. That's mean whether we get the correction for buy or sell. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update or changes, then I will share. Thanks.